Freedom is the most fundamental thing in life, and there is no value for it that can be paid. A person can do anything to achieve his independence. Respected principal sir, honorable guests, my respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. At first, I would like to wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day 2021. Today, we all gather in this celebration with great enthusiasm to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 74th Independence Day of our country. Because India becomes independent from the British Empire on 15th August 1947 after a lot of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. Freedom fighters struggled to make our country free from the Britishers and sacrificed their lives for the country. They devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. As a result of their struggles, India got independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. Hence, in this day we not only celebrate our independence, but we also dignify to those who fought for it, to the ones who held a prospect for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for our motherland and dedicated their life in the battle for India's independence. We tribute our great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Sukhdev, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and all. Our visionary freedom fighters collected a diversity of worldviews to forge a common national courage towards one direction. They were given away to the cause of liberating Bharat Mata from outrageous and tyrannical foreign regime and ensuring the future of our children. Their intention and actions build the identity of India as a modern nation. We gain freedom when we have paid the full price. I would like to say that we are fortunate to be an Indian and live freely as proud citizens of our country. So let's celebrate today with great enthusiasm and exuberance, as we are the youth generation. It's our duty to serve the nation and keep up the legacy of doing something great for our following generation, and we will make it. Let's all work together for the growth and development of our motherland and make every possible effort to restore the lost kudos and majesty and take our country to the superior rank in the League of Nations. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.